LiveU Solo HDMI now on sale for $7.95 with 2 free modems. Let's talk about the LiveU Solo, the ultimate solution to live streaming on the go. The LiveU Solo is a powerful and compact device that allows you to stream anywhere you go effortlessly. With multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and up to 2 4G LTE modems, which are now included in that $7.95 price. It's portable and easy to use, allowing you to go live on the fly. Capture breaking news, unforgettable moments at live events, and share it with your audience, all with the LiveU Solo. You'll have a stable and reliable stream even in remote locations. Set up and manage your stream in LiveU's user-friendly portal. Seamlessly integrate with platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, or any other CDN that you use to reach your audience wherever they are. Control every aspect of your stream. Adjust some settings, monitor real-time analytics, all from your phone or computer. You can get your LiveU Solo available at videoguys.com.